Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kongwen. In these videos, I'm going to show you how you can create a new Binance account step by step. And also secure your account with 2FA authentication and do the identity verification. Especially, you will get 10% off of your trading fees in the Binance Exchange by using my referral code. So if you trade a lot, you will save a lot of money by using this code. After you get verification from Binance, you can fund your account with fiat currency and use that currency to buy some cryptocurrencies. By the way, I'm going to show you everything on my computers so you can easily follow along. Like being said, let's go into the tutorials. Alright everyone. So the first step is go to Binance.com and then you can enter your email here or your phone number here and then click on get started, or you can click on register here. Yes, so make sure that you go to Binance.com. Maybe this homepage is gonna be changed in the future because of Binance maybe update the homepage. Yes, anyway, just make sure with Binance.com and then please go to register here. So I click register here. So, and in this page, you just click on sign up with phone or email. Please click here. Yeah, and then, so this is the country where you have to choose. So if you live in any country, just click your country. For example, if you live in Thailand, and then you click on Thailand. So if you live in France, then you click on France or something like that. So now I live in Cambodia, so I just write Cambodia. Yes, like this. Okay, but the Cambodia is already pop up in here, so we just click directly. Yeah, so after you choose your country already, so then you can click confirm. Yes, so here you can create a Binance account with email or phone number, but high recommendation, please register with your email because email is very safe and phone number is not safe. And one more thing is, if you use your phone number when you go overseas or you go to another countries, you cannot use your phone numbers, so you will not be able to get verification codes from Binance. So you better use email. And also when you got any problem, you can contact with the Binance support with email as well also. So email is better than phone number. By the way, you can input your email here, yeah, and then you can input your password here. With password, please create with capital letters, small letters, and number, something like this. Yeah, so I create this password like hello, yes, 168 and add like this. Yeah, this is a very strong password, so you can create by yourself. And then here is everyone. This is very important with referral code, like I talked at the beginning of the video. Please input this referral code. You will get 10% off your trading fee. Here you can see your commission is kickback rate 10%. It means that it is discount for you when you trade in the Binance platform. So imagine that if you trade a lot in Binance in 1 day, 1 month or 1 year, so you will save a lot of money by using this referral code to save your trading fee with 10% off of your trading. Yes, after you input your email, your password already, and then please click on I agree. Yes, click on here and then you click on create account. Yeah, after then please you drag this to the box and then you wait, and then Binance will send email, but send you email with 6 digits. Yes, so you go to your email and then you open the email and copy. Yeah, copy this 6 digit code. Yeah, you copy it and then you go to part here. Yeah, go to part here and then you click on submit. Yeah, that's very easy. Your email is confirmed by the Binance. Yeah, so after then, and then please go to dashboard here. Yeah, you can click on the dashboard. Okay, and it will pop up like this. So this is the security verification. So you can connect to FA with your phone number verification, or you can connect with the Binance authentication this one, yeah. So to high recommendation, please click on below. You will use to FA verification Google. Okay, you can click here. Okay, everyone, with this homepage, please you can go to App Store or Play Store, go to download, or you can scan this one directly so you can download the app. So in your mobile phone, yes, you can go to App Store or Play Store and then download this Google Authentication app, and then after you download, you can open it. Yes, open this app. So this is I already download, just open it, and then after you open already, please click on next here. Yes, and then you have to scan or you copy this code. This is very important. You can screenshot or you copy it for safety place. Don't let someone see this code or this key, because later they will enter your account easily. So this is very important. Please keep it safe place. Okay, on your mobile phone, please click on get started, and then you can click on scan or QR code here. Yes, like this. Okay, and then this is will generate your one-time password. So it will change password one minute will change one time. Yeah. After then you click on next here. Yeah, and then this is Binance remind you that please keep this one safe and make sure you write it down at somewhere place. Okay, so by the way, you can continue, just click next here. Yes, and then you click on get code. So the code will be sent to your email, and then you copy to put in here. Okay, let's see together. Yeah, you click on send code, and then you go to your email. Okay, go to your email and you refresh, and then Binance will send code, and then this one you have to copy this code. Yeah, copy this code and then go back to home page, and then you pass the code. And here is the Google authentication code with one-time password. So you can key in, look at your phone, and you can key in 015937. Okay, and then you click on next. Yeah, that's it. So very easy. Yes, so now you already passed the security, and then you can click go back here. Yeah. Okay, so now you already create this Binance account. Now let's start go to verification. Okay, everyone, so on here you can see verification, or you can say verify, or you can click on profile here, and then you scroll down below, you will see identification. So click on the identification. So and then you click on OK. Yeah, make sure this is your country where you live, and then you click on start here. Yeah, and then you put your nationality. So my nationality is Cambodia, so just put your name and then put your last name. Yes, if you don't have middle name, you don't have to put here. And it is your birthday, so you can put your birthday here. Okay, after then, yes, after then you click on continue. Okay, and then this is the residential address. Please put your address here. Yes, example, I put my address here. Yes, after that this is the postal code. Yes, so you can search in Google where do you live, so you can search the postal code. Example, if you live in any country or which province. Example, I live in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh, so I just write Phnom Penh. Yes, something like this, and you go search, and then it will come out. So you can copy that code. Yeah, you can copy that postal code, and then you put here. And then city, so which city do you live? Just put the city here. That's it. So you can click on continue. Yeah, and then you just say no, and then this is the identity verification. You can verify your account by ID card. It means identity card, and this is the passport. If you have passport, you can click here, and also you can verify by driver license. So here I will verify by identity card, so I have to click here, and then you click on continue. Yes, so here you can click on continue here. So when it come out like this, you can put your mouse here, and then you can use your mobile phone, yeah, to scan. Yes. Okay, everyone, and then in your mobile phone please go to Google stores and you download this app, this Binance app, and then after you download, then you open the Binance app like this, and then you go to log in your account. Yes, so to verify your account, please log in at the moment you create. Okay, and then you log in your email, and then please click login. Yes, you drag it to the box. Okay, and then you click code. This is you that Binance will send code to your email. Yeah, so open your email here. Yeah, so it's coming out here. So you input this code. Yeah, 319598, and then this is the code authentication code. So you go to this one and then copy it and then paste here. Yeah, here, and then you click on submit. Okay, so now you are into your account, so you can click here. Yes, and then you click OK here, and then you off this Binance Lite. It will go to Binance Pro. Okay everyone, so now this is your account. Yeah, so everyone, now you can click on home. Yes, and then to verify your account, you click on your profile. Yes, click on your profile. So you click here first and then click on your profile here. Yes, okay, here you will see unverified. So in order to verify, you can click here, or you can only just scan here. You just click here to scan. Yeah, so now you go back to your Binance, and then you just put your mouse here. Yeah, it will come out here, and then you click on scan here. Yeah, just click on scan here. Yeah, so you scan the code like this. Okay everyone, so after you scan, it will automatically link here everyone. So you just click on the I accept. Yeah, so this is very easy. They allow you to upload. Yeah, upload your identity front side and back side. So you just click here, and then you just take a photo, but you just click take photos. Yes, so now this is my identity card. So you just click, like this. Yes, scan, and then you just take a photo here like this. Okay, and then already, so you upload, or you take a photo at the back side of your identity card. Yeah, so just click on here like this. Yeah, and take a photo like this. Yeah, okay, and then you click on continue. Yes, then document upload date. Okay, and then you can click on continues. Yes, and then here is you have to selfies. Okay everyone, so you can click here. Yes, okay, and then you have to selfie your photo here. So you click on photo like this. Yes, and then just click on use. Yeah, okay, and then you click on continue. Okay, so here if you wear glasses, you can take it off, and then you start verification here. Yes, with your face. Yeah, like this. Yeah, okay, so that's it. So this is verification successful, and then you just close it. Okay everyone, now that's it. Now your account, what you do is you have to wait. Yeah, you have to wait verification from Binance. Alright everyone, thank you for your watching. If you want to learn more about how to use Binance, please like and subscribe to the channels and leave me a comment below. I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.